not. They want the full Monty Wood.
I told you weren't all the ticket, didn't I?
Oh, Woody, you can't have all your kit on.
Woody, you got to have it all off. The jeans as well.
He's going.
Take your shoes
He's
off.
not. He's not. He's doing one.
Woody, take your shoes off.
Triathlon, isn't he?
He's not. He's gonna, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look, he's gonna.
Going, look.
And the jeans, Woody.
And your
Not just the
jeans.
trainers.
Yeah.
And your boxers. I want to see it all.
Little Bill's gonna be down in a minute. You watch.
This is going to be hilarious. So I hope you're a good swimmer. We're going to have to go and fish him out.
Oh, fucking raw if he starts floating down. Oh, can you help me?
We'll take the 13 quid we're going to get some beers.
Tell them, Brian, if they're going to watch, it's £2 to watch.
Yeah, it's £2 to watch.
£2 to watch.
It's £2 to watch.
Get him on, Woody!
He's unreal.
Beers in quick. Put the money and go and get some beers in.
Keep going. The whole way across.
I'm filming this.
There's an old out.
Like he ain't wearing white boxes.
Oh, fucking hell, it's the funniest thing I've seen.
Keep going, Wood. I'll wait.
Woody, you're out of the team for doing that.
Yes, Woody, yeah.
I found a quid.
Oh, fucking retard.
No, keep going.
You gotta go the full way!
Oh, I laugh if it just dips there. Fuck.
Yeah, what if you just put that straight under?
Hey!
Now you gotta come back. Someone go and get his
Brian, go and get his... He's quality.
Oh, God.
Woody could have done it.
What was that for? Like 13 quid?
We could
Yeah.
make a fortune out of him, couldn't we?
Yeah, let's take down to the River Thames.
Woody, I'm going to get a beer. Let him have his 13 quid. 13, I love it.
Woody, if you see any crabs there, grab them.
You only put a quid in, now when you it's all his work.
Do any crabs down there, Wood?
He's having a part, look.
Well done,
Woody.
Woody.
Better
get him a hot drink.
He's not right in the head, is he?
He's alright, he used to be ex-army, he's alright.
Ex-army, exactly, ex. What did he get chucked out for? Swimming in the nude.
I can't believe he done that.
I
It's quite comfortably to believe.
You knew he was going to do
He's stuck. Now swim that last bit.
Quick, Albert's coming. He's naked, look at him.
Hey, look, Swans is coming up. I've seen the maggot. Woody, it's good fitness training. Keep going.
Now do another width, it's good fitness.
He's got to
No,
say.
he's not.
it.
Hey.
Well done.
Hey!
Now what they didn't tell you, to pick up the 13 quid, you got to streak round the bar.
What? Can't see. So he's having a shower later, doesn't it? Cut all his foot.
Is he?
Yeah, silly bastard. Done it.
That's going to be one for years, that is.
Oh, I'm going to put that on my face. Toe!
I'm going to steal it off your
He
MySpace.
loves this joke. I'll put it on my space, you joke a lot.
What are we?
That is comedy at its best. Look at it.
Al, I'll nick it off your MySpace.
Yeah, no.
All over.
Have you got it then?
MySpace, yeah. 282 Rogers.
I'll give you
Dale,
mine.
where's your phone going?
We're filming Woody.
Hello, bud. We're at the pub. Woody's just gone across the water. He's now walking up. We're filming it.
He went to Hong Kong, he's come back.
And now he's coming, trying to get back up, and he's sinking.
Come on, Woody boy, get up here.
I'll be leaving in a sec.
Come on, son.
Where are you?
You got a streak for that
Yeah, where?
13, I told you. That weren't
Oh,
enough.
well, I've only just got your text.
Competition or what? What's going on?
Yeah, he's won it. Yeah, he's won it.
Right.
We betted.
Oh, very good for him.
Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.
Him than me.
Love ya.
Well done, Woody.
Go get shot, please.
Oh look, he sliced all his foot.
No. We got 8.
Oh, boy.
Did you hear, Woody?
Yeah, you know.
Now what I didn't tell you, you got to go the length of it, Woody. The length of it.
Filming, that's some dignity.
It's your phone.
They didn't tell you, you had to go the length, Woody. We didn't mean width.
Is that on a better picture? Yeah, send that one off. Well done, son. Well done, son.
Put your tackle away, no one wants to see that. I think that's sexy.
So, Woody, we well bonded up here. Save you having a shower later.
Put your dignity away, for God's sake. There's women up there.
Oh,
He's cut all the bottom of his foot. Well,
Me, no.
the boxes are on the inside anyway. What on there?
Yeah, that was last night. I got carried away. I had to leave the house. Rather quickly. That was alright, that.
Show us that.
You made yourself 13 quid, Woody.
Send us a video.